Okay, let's go.
Nasa ano kami, Pop Mart kami. Grabe. Nakabili ako ng half a seat. Tapos si Ella. Yan ang ganda. Skull handle.
Yeah, Labubu, you know, everybody, oh, I need it, and buy it, yeah, so.
The yellow have a
Open it. Babe, wait. She wants to open it. Yung Tanya, Monster, Hello Kitty, and Friends. Nasa London nga pala kami mga bebs. Unang punta Pop Mart. Yeah, Ella. We're gonna throw the box so that it's not that thick.
No, it's not!
What did you get? Ella, may sumisigaw din.
I can't grab it. I either want My Melody, Hello Kitty, cinnamon roll, or actually, I want cinnamon roll. Yeah, I want cinnamon roll. Yes!
She wanted cinnamon roll. Show it. Show it. She got cinnamon roll. You're gonna open mine. You'll have to have a seat.
I have a yellow one of them.
So I have ito yung nawala ako na ano ko na have a seat.
Oh, don't look in there. Don't look at the card.
Ella.
Don't look at the card.
Ella, you're pointing there. Jeez.
Wait, I'm gonna look at the thing.
Wendang na yung video natin.
Ooh. I know what you got. We had the same one.
This is the one that I lost.
It's the one that I have.
Why did this always like this? No, it's okay. Doesn't matter. Wala naman ako nito eh. Have a seat. Ella, up! Can't really see it. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna play the video. It will be everywhere. Tingnan nyo. Oh. Ayun pa isa. Parang gumagawa ka 3D na body, no? And, anyways, we're in London. Nainis ako doon sa nakuha ko parehas. Ayoko na nila. Last na yan. Not unless bibili ako ng iba naman. Sana Oxford kami. Where are we going, babe? Okay.
Elephant.
You like what you got, didn't you?
Yes.
Ginagawa yung building. Alright, sa London tayo. Pasensya na kayo dun sa nag-open ako ng aking Labubu Habasi. Nagngarag-ngarag kasi si Ella may hawak. Garage. That's new. I haven't seen that yet.
Huh?
Garage. That one, yeah.
I have.
Did you?
But it's mostly an online one.
Ah, okay. No, here. Have you seen it here?
Have you seen the
Was it in
No, because we've
in Las
seen that.
Vegas?
No.
I'm silly. Ayan o. Ayan. Daldal ako ng daldal. Akala ko naka-video. Yung pala hindi. Tignan ito. Ang ganda o. Hello.
You might work today.
Just looking around. Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, well, we only sell artwork, so we've got all kinds of artwork, sculpture, paintings, just whatever you're looking for, just let me know.
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, I'm so sorry, we don't allow filming.
Oh, sorry. She looks so real. Grabe.
Because it's on back here. Oh, I like it. This is my favorite. That's scary. It's like a pillow. Oh, look.
Eh, naman eh.
That's my favorite one.
Yun yun, oh. Nakalitaw yung talagang ano, oh. Yan yung pinaka-building talaga yung nakalitaw. Kita nyo? Yun yun, oh. Ang galing.
Amazing how they keep the original facade.
Yes. Ang
So
galing.
they've got to underpin it with
Yung
steel.
original.
Is that the original one?
It's mad, isn't it?
Yeah. Ang galing.
Clever.
Mm.
So now,
Ito yung ano, posh bit ng London. Ayun, oh, Versace.
it's just a braid with
Lou,
full strength.
Lou. Yun yata. Ella, how do you say that? Lou, Bretling,
Low.
Low. Normal. Celine, Harris, Sagna, Brunello, ewan ko paano sabihin yun, Cucinelli. Ayan, ito yung posh bit. Churches. Ito ang posh bit ng London. Ayan. Doon banda makikita natin yung mga Chanel. Ayun, may Jimmy Choo, Longchamp. Ayan. Dito yun mga bebs. Zegna. Ayan na. Chloe, Fendi. Sabi ko sa inyo, nandito eh. Gucci. Ayan na. Monday nga pala ngayon. Easter Monday. Gucci. Ayan, Gucci. Balenciaga over there. Jimmy Choo over there.
Okay, this is wicked.
Ayan. Ito pa pala, hindi ko pa nakita sa inyo. Ayan, Burberry. Chanel. Louis Vuitton. Dior. Ito ang ano mga bebs, ito ang posh bit ng ano, ng London. See Chanel over there. Louis Vuitton, paulit-ulit. Dior, paulit-ulit. Ha?
Two people.
Cute to. Cute ang ano nila. Oh, cute ang damit. Saka yung bag. Oh, sorry.
They do. They normally have the pool ball so you can see them.
Ayan. Tumutong ko ano ko, pero dito yung mga ano, mga mayayaman na yung bibili ng mga alahas. Ayun, dito yun.
Do you remember this?
Yes, lots of times. Ella, Christmas time as well. We came here. Tingnan yung mga alahas ng talaga sa
I
Kita
don't know.
nila.
Was it always purple?
mga kalam, mga
Was it
alahas.
always purple?
I'm not sure if it's always purple. Ayan, yung mga, ano,
Because if I know what colour it is, then I'll know.
ayan. Kita nyo, mga, watch. Ayan, oh. Mga watch, jewelries. Yan, yan dito. Ganyan siya. Nasa Ella. Nasa park tayo. Tapos ayan yung, ayun yung Ritz. Ayan yata yung Ritz. Oh, ayun, yun ang Ritz. Alam niyo yung Ritz? Mahal dun eh. Yung restaurant, yung ano, restaurant tuloy. Yung hotel na Ritz. Ritz. Ayun sa Ella. Tagalog, Ritz. Ritz. I don't. Where's Dada? Oh, there he is. Maraming tao dito sa ano. Maraming utaw. Yung ihina ako, sinasabi ko sa inyo. Bursting.
Huh?
I'm bursting like 2 hours already.
Bursting for what?
Wee
You
wee.
don't say.
I did say. How many times did I say that?
You didn't say today.
I did say. I said, babe, I need to go for a wee. Yan siya. Ang daming tao. Mga nag-ano. Sa sunbathing na kasi nga meron ng sun. Pero may ano pa rin, may ginaw pa rin. Pero hindi naman ganun kaano. Ang ganda ng mga ano. Ganda. Ganda ang araw ngayon. Maraming tao. Miss Ella. Bukas, ano, sabi 17 degrees. Tapos, Wednesday, 23 ata. Nasa work ako bukas. Ewan ko saan kami pupunta. Sana pumunta kami sa mga maganda. Kasi sayang. Sayang ang araw. Ipupush kung makalabas kami sa trabaho. Daming tao.
Woods now.
Ang tao nila dito. So good. So nice. Sana maipunta ko dito yung kuya. Hindi ko po. Kasi kuya. Ito dito.
We could have gone to the beach today. There's actually really cool.
This.
What are they?
Quail? Was it? Are they quail, babe?
No, they're
No,
not
those are
quails.
ducklings.
Quails don't live in the water.
Oh, duck then.
What are they?
They're kind of ducks. They do look like it.
Kind of are. Oh,
A duckling?
water. That went underwater. Watch it go up.
Ayan, ang daming tao,
It's gonna
no?
go up.
Kasi maganda yung araw, oh. Ayan.
Where's it gonna go up?
Yung iba nagdadala ng baon nila tapos nagpipiknik
The
sila.
water.
Oh, yeah.
Where did it go up?
Tatak si
It
El.
probably swam under the water and went up. Ay! Oh,
Almost. Muntik na malaglag yung ano, itlog. Yung ano, Easter egg.
she ran back to get it for her.
Yeah. So nice. Yeah.
Go into the water.
May water, ano doon, oh, feature doon. Ayan. Nakalain mo may ganito sa London, di ba? May park na ganitong kalaki sa London. Nakalimutan ko pa ang pangalan na itong park na ito. Tingnan natin. St. James Park. Ayan. Kain tayo. Graffiti tunnel daw ito. Ang pupuntahan natin. May graffiti tunnel. Nasa Waterloo. Nasa Waterloo tayo. Nasa Waterloo. Hala, ito naman yun eh. Galing, galing.
I'm just gonna spray my jumper.
Ang galing nga, pati dito sa taas. Meron ting graffiti. Pwede talaga sila mag-graffiti dito. Pinapayagan sila. Ayan. Here we go. Come on. Oops, sorry. Ayan. Ngayon na nag-graffiti sila dun. Ano mga kabataan dun? Nag-graffiti.
Allez, viens.
Ang galing. Ang galing. Dito sa loob. Ala, here. See here.
She's got off the phone.
Hey! Shout! I love grabe. Ayun ang sa taas. Just go inside quickly. Mga mata, oh. Oh, ang galing. Graffiti world siya. Oh, they saved this bit, Ella, oh. They put no? They put a, barrier siya. Meron siyang glass. Probably.
Yeah.
Ito, ang ganda ng babae, oh. Sino kaya itong babae nito? Ganda niya. Oh, come na. Ito rin, oh. This one as well for you. Covered din siya.
That one.
Ah, okay. Oh, come. Oops, sorry. Ang galing nga. Ginagawa nila dito sa mga ano tawag dyan? Barrel. Yung pakpan nila. Galing. Ayun, oh, may nagagawa din niya. Nagawa niya. Yan. Nagawa niya. Yan. Galing. Nagawa siya. Oh, God. gosh, ang ganda na. Tingnan niyo sa taas. Ang galing nga. Ano kayong gagawin niya? Ang artistic ng mga sa taas nakalagayan no? Dun sila nagaan. Nila ini-spray yan sa taas. Grabe. Oh. Ella? Ella?
Yeah?
Stand there. Dali. Ganda o parang sakura. Parang siyang sakura flowers. Ang ganda. Just walk in. May mga tour here. Ayan yung London Eye. Ayan. Gabo. Ayan, ganda tingnan o. Ayan, London Eye. Ha? You want Mr. Bubble? If you see one, sige. We'll get you one. Hey. Oh. Your dad is over there na. Ayan na. Ito na.
I wanna go on.
Ayan si Big Ben. Ito yung London Eye. Ayan, nandito tayo sa famous ano nila to. Ito yung kay Big Ben. Ayun si Big Ben. Kita niyo si Big Ben? Ayun, si Big Ben. The London Dungeon. Yan, nakatay dun. Kita nyo na to sa ibang vlogs ko. Si asawa. Ayun. The London Dungeon. First of the Witch Tavern. Upo kami dito. Ayun na. Paa nila. Sabi niya, sakit na ng paa daw niya. Yung ano ko yung tights ko nakakainis. Kasi yung ano yung ito o yung nails ko may mga ano sungot-sungot ba yung tawag ito. Kaya tuloy na ano ko na ano yung tawag dyan, natatouch ko siya tapos sumasama, kainis. Pahinga muna kami dito. Ito yung kanina mga nakaupo, di ba? Maraming ganito pala dito. Ayan. Ayan.
But I need two.